Hey guys, so today we're looking at this stunning detached home, super affordable in Hamilton, Ontario. Really excited because this home is in a really up and coming area that has a ton of amenities close by. You have grocery stores that are within walking distance. You have all sorts of different parks, and it's just such a great area to just kind of get into the market, get homes as low as the $400,000 to $500,000 mark. And I'm speaking from experience because this is where I actually purchased my first home 8 years ago. So has it been 8 years or has it been 7 years? I think it's been 7 years. 7 years. I'm probably getting a little ahead of myself, but this is it, guys. If you're new to the channel, my name's Tish. I am a local real estate agent in the Hamilton and surrounding areas. Oh my God, this house has so much details. And the ceiling height is quite high. I think this is 9 or 10 feet ceilings. Very impressive. Wow. Makes the space seem so big. But yeah, so I'm a local realtor. I work in Hamilton, surrounding areas. If you're looking to buy or sell within the Hamilton or GTA area, feel free to reach out to myself and my team. My contact information is in the description. Loving this traditional light fixture. Just beautiful. Loving the cabinetry, like in this little coffee area. It's actually big enough to fit a breakfast table, which is really nice. So lots of potential there. Super cute kitchen. Super cute. And they actually have 2 fridges, which you don't see quite often, but 2 fridges. And I don't come across these types of sinks very often. They're called corner sinks. I just don't come across them often, but when I do, I'm always really fascinated by them. So let's proceed to the rest of the home. And I think this house has a lot to offer. It's definitely an older home that's had some updating done. Loving that the laundry is on the 2nd floor. Super convenient to those that have kids. You also have your sink here. You know how convenient it is to have laundry on the 2nd level. Don't have to worry about rolling your laundry down to the basement or main level. Really cute kids room or potential office or 2-in-1 space. Really cute. Super cute house, and loving the flooring. Definitely has been some updating done there. This is the bathroom. You have your double sinks, pot lights. Beautiful. Nice shower. Lovely home. This is linen closet. And then of course you have your primary bedroom. This is a really decent sized primary bedroom. You have 2 oversized windows. You have double closets, which is not something that you see quite often in homes in this area. Because this is an older home, typically closet space is something that isn't, you don't really get that much closet space. So having large closet space isn't common. So this is a pretty rare find, I would say. Gorgeous home. So in love with this. Really affordable. You don't actually have that much of a backyard either with this home. I'll show you guys in a bit, but of course you have your basement. It is unfinished, but you do have a bit of front yard space. And this street seems really quiet. In this area, it really, like, the type of neighborhood that you buy in this area really depends on the type of street as well. So there's streets that are very tenant heavy, streets that are very Airbnb heavy, streets that are very family oriented, and just so much different variation. So it's really important you are working with a local real estate agent who could really guide you, especially when you're looking for homes in this specific area of the central downtown Hamilton core. So let me show you guys the backyard. I don't know why I'm trying to look through there. You have your AC there. And there seems to be a garage, which is really nice. So you definitely have a lot less maintenance you have to worry about for those that are in a condo in Toronto who are looking to move into a detached house without having too much maintenance. You have that. You also have a ton of privacy, which is really great. Beautiful. A little bit of deck space too. Love it. Okay, guys. So for more information on this home, again, I'm Tish, and my contact information is in the description. Feel free to reach out to book your property tour, or to simply ask questions about the home, or to inquire about us helping you to sell your home for top dollar. See you in the next video.